French fries, crispy, golden, irresistible. A snack loved by billions across the globe. But here's a burning question. Are French fries really French? Many of us associate French fries with France. After all, the name says it all. But history is a tricky thing, and the story of French fries is not as simple as it seems. Let's rewind the clock to the late 1600s, in the Meuse Valley of modern-day Belgium. Locals there were known to fry small fish caught from the river. But during harsh winters, when the rivers froze, they turned to frying potatoes instead. Could it be that French fries are actually Belgian? So, how did these golden slices of heaven end up being called French? Enter World War I. American soldiers stationed in French-speaking parts of Belgium tasted fried potatoes for the first time. Impressed, they called them French fries, a nod to the language they heard spoken around them. But the plot thickens. Some claim the French already had their own version of fried potatoes, called pommes frites, as early as the late 1700s. Parisian street vendors sold thinly sliced fried potatoes along the Pont Neuf Bridge. So who deserves the credit, France or Belgium? Regardless of their origins, French fries have gone global. From Canada's gooey poutine to India's spicy masala fries, every culture has embraced and reinvented this humble dish. Time for some frytastic trivia. Did you know that Belgium once submitted an application to UNESCO to recognize fries as an intangible cultural heritage? Or that July 13th is celebrated as National French Fry Day in the United States? And get this! While fast food chains like McDonald's sell billions of fries every year, fries are also considered gourmet food in some places, served with truffle oil and caviar. But there's a darker side to fries. They've often been vilified as unhealthy. Deep fried in oil and loaded with salt, they're a guilty pleasure. Yet with air fryers and baked options, modern twists are making fries a little less guilty and a lot more accessible. So, are French fries French? The answer isn't as crisp as the fries themselves. While Belgium has a strong case for inventing the dish, France popularized the art of frying potatoes in the culinary world, and thanks to American soldiers, we call them French fries. At the end of the day, does it really matter? French fries are for everyone, Belgian, French or otherwise. They're a universal language of joy. So the next time you grab a handful of fries, think about the centuries of history and a touch of mystery behind each crispy bite. Let us know in the comments. Who do you think deserves the credit for this iconic snack? Like, share and subscribe for more fascinating stories about interesting facts about various places and cultures.